whoa, whoa, oh yeah. You got the limo out front, ooh. Yodelay, 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 ooh. Let's get ready, biatches. Hi, howly diddly neighborinos. What is up and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, this is literally slipping off my face. Mayday, mayday, call in the paramedics, 999, are you listening? Today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me, girlies. Basically, if you didn't know, I'm a beauty guru. Jacqueline Hill may say. And I am nominated for the Beauty Award at the Shorty Awards this evening. Darling, if I'm nominated for beauty, we've got to serve beauty. So I've currently just got a face mask on, just before we start the whole process. You know how they say, a clean face, a clean mind, a clean body. It's the words from Jesus himself in the Bible. I tried to do it like that video that went viral on Twitter where like the face mask literally like absorbed and like morphed his skin. Yeah, it did work. I'm in America, I'm in New York, for those who didn't know. You are currently sat on a tissue box, a Nike shoe box, a spare pack of tissues, and a spare pack of toilet paper. Somebody call me professional. Darling, this is my dressing room.
Your dressing room? Where am I gonna get
Nominee? A +1. Shoo shoo now, bye. I have to laugh. Time to unveil the mask.
I am disgusted.
Ooh. Beauty she is not. Busted she is. Hello. I feel like I've just been baptized by the priest himself. Okay, ladies and gentle pigs, it is time to start the routine.
Make a bitch cry, and if you being honest, I am.
Maybe she snapped. Maybe it's Maybelline. Jokes is the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm not discussing the products that I'm using, so if you are interested, tell someone who cares. Yeah! If you didn't know, America has lots of different makeup, including Sephora, maybe she broke the bag. So we got lots of new products to try out. Woo! Go crazy! Go stupid! First being a foundation, Makeup Forever HD. This is actually just the box. I actually had this foundation 2 years ago, but the foundation that I brought with me has flashback. You know, we're not trying to have a flashback Mary scandal. I'm not being funny or anything, but Einstein kind of just rolled over in his grave. I'm that clever. Do you see this foundation match? I matched this myself in Sephora, and it's literally the color of my skin. My mind. It amazes me sometimes.
Right here, gonna make a bitch cry, and if you being honest, I am such a.
Oh my god, I've got no foundation on my forehead. Same color. Same color. Try me, bitch. Slay. 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 Just cover up that little spot on the nose. Nobody wants to be seeing that. What? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, okay, okay. Someone perform the Heimlich maneuver on me or something. Oh my god. Breathe in. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, you bugger. God, I can't wait to wake up with a sty tomorrow morning. Oh, I'm so excited. I need to blend this before it actually dries. Oh, too late. She is already dried. Love that for me. You see, this is why I don't understand why I'm... Maybe if I try that sentence again, but this time in English, that might work. This is why I don't understand why... One more time, people, from the top. This is why I don't understand why I'm... What I'm trying to say is this is why I don't understand why... I feel like I'm saying why too many times. Why? I don't understand why I'm up for the beauty award, because I can't even do a basic task of concealer without... cooking the top, mate. They probably just spelled a name wrong when they were typing it all into the system. Oh, pick me up. Okay, queen. Oh my god, my makeup actually looks awful. Right now, I literally look like a 4-year-old. I'm out. You okay? Stress levels are at an ultimate high. Sis did not snap. And that's okay, because sometimes sis has her down day. You know, sometimes sis needs those days where she can be like, oh, I'm sad. So she can have the days where she's like, yay, I'm happy. God, I should be like a motivational speaker or something. Okay, right, we put on a little bit too much eye primer, but that can be fixed, people. Okay, maybe she can't be fixed. Oh no. Jesus, I'm sorry for the sins that I've committed, but please just take back this bad karma already. Ah! I'm over this, I'm over, oh my god. Yeah! Oh my god, it's exciting now, exciting. Everybody hold on to your chairs because you're about to be shook. So I made my own Anastasia palette and I don't even like, okay, the eyeshadows are cute, you know, they're fun, they're fresh, they're quirky. First of all, time for a light bit of ASMR. I hope that gave you the tingles. Oh, right in the tingle spot. It came with a magnetic case, so I get the satisfaction of slipping 4 things until they go bloop. You know what I mean? Like when you put like a magnet onto... Okay, first of all, who the hell pronounces it magnet? Am I like Marie Antoinette or whoever... Is that... Am I Marie Antoinette or whoever that bitch was? No! I'm Lewis Paul, Shorty Award nominated for beauty. Ew, 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 one of the... Oh my god, one of the shadows went in the sink and it's wet! Okay, right, okay, I'm so excited. Oh, I think I got distracted. I was saying something about a magnet and satisfaction, but I got too excited. Here goes the first one, ready? Oh, yeah. That was terrifying. That was literally like Momo came to life. Isn't she just beautiful? They grow up so fast. Okay, well first off, I'm taking the shade. I don't know what it's called, it'll be linked down below. We're just going for like a nice bronzy look today, nothing too much because the outfit is saying a lot. You know, the outfit isn't, oh, sorry, I'm just coming into the Shorty Awards. It's like, move, I'm trying to get to my seat. You know what I'm saying? Like it's saying a lot. So the makeup really does not need to be saying much. Okay, why am I out of breath from that physical activity? I'm surprised I've not had a noise complaint yet. Ugh, we love hotels accommodating to me. Maybe they know who I am. Maybe they know I'm nominated for the Shorty Awards, so they're never gonna complain, you know what I'm saying? I don't really know where I'm going with this. All I know that is I'm gonna slay. I need to stop saying that word because I started saying it as a joke, but now it's actually become part of my everyday vocabulary and I don't even realize I'm saying it. Wow, these eyeshadows are blending amazing. Oh! It literally looks awful in camera. But I think I just became Octomum by the way this eyeshadow looks. Wow, okay, she was kind of dusted. Maybe we jump the cannon, but you know, everybody does that sometimes. Maybe a little bit of blending can help her come around. You know, we can't all be perfect first time, so let's just lay off her back just now, people. Please do not send hate towards her on Instagram. This is not her fault. Bitch! She got me going psycho! Now, I bought this the other day. It's like a duo. Okay, my aggressive underlying issues are really coming out today, aren't they? It's from Natasha Denona, you know, she's a little bougie. It's called a top coat. Oh my god, I literally just spilled all over me. Right, okay, let's be careful next time. I might try a little bit out, but at the same time I'm kind of scared. So, this could be the downfall of everything. I'm gonna sprinkle it on top. Okay. It did nothing. Yeah. I don't think I used that properly, but honestly, I'm kind of running late as it is, and I don't really have time to test this out. You know, I'd rather be safe than sorry, as Madonna says. Where is she? Is she doing okay? Can someone check up on her? Madonna, if you're watching this, babe, let me know. She's probably thriving. Oh my god, am I an actual idiot? Okay, keep calm, keep calm, keep calm. Dancing must just be in the caffeine running through my body. Caffeine entering my body like. Okay, my eyeshadow I think is done. We actually have two options for lashes. Oh my god, that sounded so big-headed, guys. I promise I'm not. Oh my god, okay, I'm so embarrassed. I'm really not trying to brag about that. Oh, wow, okay. I bought these Huda ones. Shut up! Thanks. Or I have a pair of lashes which I'd be wearing for the 6th time. So do we go for my sparkling, spanking new lashes or these crusty old ones? We went for the crusty old ones. I actually don't have scissors, so I can't even cut those Huda ones to fit my eyelids because they're so skinny. Oh, I dropped it! I have bacteria! Okay, well, I'll be back when these are stuck on my big fat bug eyes. I'm so mean about myself, it's so sad. She's back! Lashes are on. Okay, now time to blush. Blush up your light that you haven't. Oh, great. I think I have butterfinger syndrome because anything I touch, I drop. Please comment down below if you have that too, because maybe we could start a support group. A little bit of blush, make the boys blush. Fake freckles, just like my personality. Yeah, yeah, fake freckles. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So then I just leave it like this. It looks like I got the measles or something. Looks like I got chicken pox. Can you have chicken pox? Yeah, you can have chicken pox more than once. God, that's so scary. I hope I don't get it again. I picked up this powder in Sephora from Hourglass thinking it was pressed. Stay pressed, sweetie. Because I'm loose. But yeah, it's loose. Yeah. Bug off. Okay, well, putting on that powder was the worst decision of my entire 19 years of existence. But I'm still smiling. Okay, but like for real, I don't want any pictures taken of me. This highlighter honestly made me pregnant. Like, thank you, yes. Or should I say thank you next? Thank you. Why did I sound like a Motorola razor? Is that still a thing? Could you imagine if people still use Motorola razors? I'm sorry if you still use a Motorola razor. I'm probably offending 7 people right now, so I'm gonna stop. A little bit above the brow, just to get that all over holiday glow like I've just got back from Mabs. Derek, we're going to Benetton. I'm on the postcode lottery. What am I gonna do next? Oh, God. Oh no, oh no, oh Jesus, no. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh no, this is not good at all. Okay, just keep calm, people. Oh my god, oh my god. I have literally just got 2 streaks, like brown, white. And this is not what any of us planned to set out to do today. Just taking the Maybelline Colossal Mascara now, just to really get a little bit of lower just to get a little bit of you know, like a skip in our step. Oh, whoa, ew, 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 ew. Ew, 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 ew. Hi, back from my breakdown. Millie used my EOS lip balm. So I'm now having to go with dry, crusty lips. Oh my god, this lip color is disgusting. Disgusting! Thanks a lot, Rachel. So that is coming off. ASAP Rocky. Ew, who the hell says ASAP Rocky? Nerds. That's who says it, you little nerd, aren't you? Okay, let's try a different lipstick. Okay, that one's a little better. I mean, it's literally the color of my skin, but okay. And that was the story of the nativity, ladies and gentlemen. I don't need to get out of these busted, raggedy, daggedy clothes. The makeup portion is complete. I mean, nobody is saying it looks good. Nobody's saying it's looking snatched, fresh, slayed. None of those terms are used to describe. But, ladies, okay, well, I just got coffee all over my highlighter. I'll get changed. Catch you on the flip side. Ooh, cha, 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 ding, ding. Well, that's Big Bang. Okay, let's not try and get demonetized, honey. You got a New York trip to pay for. Hi. Shirt is on. Trousers are on. Just a little number. Just something catch. And I just can't decide what shoes. Even the philosopher Stephen Baldwin couldn't figure that one out. So guys, I'm gonna insert an Insta poll here, which is, oh my god, crisscross applesauce. So we are running approximately 40 minutes behind schedule. We were supposed to be at the arena. We were supposed to be at the arena 15 minutes ago and we've not even left the hotel. However, we are now leaving. This is the finished sleigh. These are the shoes I went for in the end, the Nikes. I may insert an outfit pic at the end. Bye, bye, bye. Bitch. I wanna fool.